Laura Banford, and I'm going to teach you how to make baked penne with sausage. Now we're going to prep our carrots and our celery. I use celery because it gives a lot of texture and substance to a sauce, and I use carrots because of the sweetness and the color that the carrots bring. And I've always said that show me a sauce with carrots in it, a tomato sauce with carrots in it, and I'll show you a cook who knows what she's doing. Okay, what we're going to do is just take the stalk of celery. This is the easy way. And score it so that there are 3 branches. And then we're going to just chop it up into a fine dice. And take the other one. That's too big. Okay, there's the celery. And the carrots, these are called baby carrots, but they're really big carrots that are just cut by the producer to look like small carrots, but that's fine. That's less work, no peeling for you. I'm going to dice those up as well. And when we come back, we're going to prep our onions and our garlic. See you then.